There's a wee health and safety tip for your washing machines or dryers. Just put a load on here. And notice this. It's a bit dark in here. With that in the plug. See just here? See a dark spot? That's starting to burn. That's something you really want to watch out for. This isn't just something you want to ignore. Is the dryer running? There's that plug. Look how hot she's getting. That is hot. It's burning up. It's getting too hot, and it's the problem with the plug. The best thing to do is replace. Can't exactly see in there. We'll get a wee bit of light. You comfy? Tell straight away, soft lead, and you can smell it. That's been burning for a while though. Look at that. Shouldn't be able to do that. Problem with the plug, bad contact. Some home appliances, the actual molded plugs aren't that great. This one is a perfect example. If you have one like this, just replace it, to be quite honest. You can actually tell it's been bad for a while, look. It's burnt the actual socket and broken it. It's cracked here. So that'll also have to be replaced. But I don't have one of them with me. To do it tonight, I'll have to get a new socket for that. But for now, I will just replace this. If you're replacing it, get something decent. This here's a Dura plug, and it is actually a good quality heavy duty plug, so fits something good. And quicker to use the drill. A little bit tempted to actually open the machine and replace that lead as well, put something heavier on, but for now a plug will do. This isn't something you really want to ignore. I've left, that's going to keep overheating, getting hotter and hotter until it eventually melts through the plug. melts the wiring, melts the socket, potentially start a fire. You would think the thing would actually short out below the fuse. It's only a 13 amp fuse, but a 13 amp fuse can actually take 20 amps of load for quite a bit of time. I think it's something like 5 or 10 minutes before it'll actually blow. It's not something you want to just leave if you know it's starting to burn, because eventually it will start to cook something. You'd rather it not be you. Placing the plug and the socket in the wall, if it's damaged, will hopefully fix the problem. If you're in any doubt, or if you're not able to do any wiring, get an electrician out. Get it replaced and make sure it's safe. Any signs of burning on that plug at all, or on the socket, you need to do something. Now, I'll stick this back on again now and just monitor it for 10 or 15 minutes. Put the thermal camera on it again and see if it's getting hot. If it's not getting hot, problem solved. Hopefully it won't. If it is still getting hot, the problem could still be on the actual socket itself, but either way, that socket's still got to be replaced. And also, the washing machine was actually fixed. This had to be repaired under warranty, the Samsung. Actual repair technicians came out last week, or this week actually. It was actually repaired. It took a month for them to get the part, but they gave us a loaner machine as well. But eventually, it was repaired under warranty. So that one's fixed, and straight away, this gives trouble. But hopefully it's only the socket and the plug. Let that run now, see if she gets hot. But even if it doesn't, that socket's still got to be changed. So that's my wee job done for tonight. Backed up, get the feet up. I'll come out 10 or 20 minutes, check that again. So I'll keep that out. That's her. I'll run it again.